So we are using the skid loader to remove some rocks and debris from in front of the truck. We are hooking up our Cat Challenger tractor to our 1969 Mack manure truck that we are preparing to send to its final resting place at the scrapyard. We taking the tank off of the truck to keep.
I was told that the door didn't open, so I climbed up and pulled on it and it came open.
The tractor would not pull the truck because the tank was not up high enough. The loader tractor and the excavator were not able to lift it high enough, so we had to use the skid loader to lift the tank higher to free the truck because the brakes were locked on the truck.
Where's the New Holland?
Hey, should we go get the mass safe?
I don't think it's really gonna matter. Isn't that hose still connected to something?
Oh, we'll just rip it
They're
right
not the quarter type hose.
What in that back axle? No, I need to get one of you boys.
So we were torching off the old vacuum pump, which was mounted on the truck frame, so we could use it for other things in the future. We got all of the parts off the truck that we wanted to take off. So we towed it up the driveway and onto the road. And we had to drag it about 2 miles to the scrapyard. With the roads being wet, it was able to be dragged on the roads with the brakes locked. Fortunately, we were able to take mostly back roads until we got to the highway, where we had to drag it for about 500 feet onto the highway before entering the scrapyard. We finally arrived at the scrapyard about a half an hour later and pulled the truck onto the scale, and it weighed 14,800 pounds. So they used their loader to get it off of the scale because it was towing crooked and trying to fall off of the scale. It was put into its final resting place.